Hey curly girlies, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing a styling routine with mousse only. This is something I don't think I've maybe ever done since my curly hair journey, honestly, and definitely not on this channel. So this is a great video if you're wondering how to incorporate mousse into your routine, or you're wanting more volume in your hair, or if you're curious about the ANZA Butter Whip styling foam, because I will also be reviewing that. If you don't know me already, my name is Barbara Del Monica. I'm a curly hair content creator and the CEO of Curls Monthly, which is my curly hair subscription service where each month you get to try 5 of the best curly hair products in trial sizes delivered right to your door. The ANZA Butter Whip Styling Foam is inside of the November 2024 Curls Monthly mailer. I'm so excited that we have a mousse this month. And in general, ANZA is a very well-formulated brand, so very excited about them. The entire Healing Curls line by ANZA is dedicated to repairing your curls from the inside out, and this mousse is a part of that line. Of course, you can use the mousse by itself, or you can use the mousse with the rest of the line, but why they called this line the Healing Curls line is because it heals your curls through using protein. So all the products in this line are pretty protein heavy, so if you like protein, you're welcome. I'm going to get into the styling process in a second, but before I do that, I have to say that there, of course, are very different, many ways that you can use mousse. I actually have a video specifically on how to use mousse and gel that I'll link below to this specific video. But today, I'll be using mousse in a way to really enhance and overemphasize volume, which is perfect because this specific foam is very lightweight and it won't leave a crunchy gel cast. It won't be sticky, which is great, again, if you want volume. It's also great if you don't want your curls to be weighed down, if you just like that bigger, bouncier look. I would say if you want definition, I would either use a different styling technique with this product or pair a gel or a cream from this line with it. Because it's very protein heavy, I would definitely specifically recommend it for high porosity hair. The protein ingredients are really high up the list, which means it's super concentrated. Like literally the 3rd ingredient is hydrolyzed vegetable protein and the 4th is hydrolyzed pea protein. So it's protein heavy. It definitely has a super flexible feel to it. It isn't sticky. It actually feels like butter. I've never felt a mousse like this. Like it is butter in your hands. Like I want to sleep in this. It feels, honestly, it feels like slime, you know, like the slime videos. That's what this feels like. Wow. So yes, it has protein ingredients in it, but it also does have moisture ingredients in it, like meadow foam seed oil, which is one of my favorite types of moisturizing products. So really cool, really versatile, cool product. The smell is really nice. It kind of has like a perfumey smell. It's actually like, it smells like a perfume. It smells really, really good. Like I prefer this type of a smell, honestly. It smells like Chanel No. 5 or something. This is how I'm going to use mousse for volume. So usually if I'm styling normally, I would re-wet my hair right now because I've been talking for a few minutes since I got out of the shower. But since I want volume, I still want my hair to be wet, but it's not soaking, dripping wet. I do want a side part today, so I'm just going to part my hair a little bit to the side. And then I'm just gonna kind of like split it so it goes to either side of my shoulders. Then I'm just gonna shake the mousse. It's a little bit runny at first and then it like kind of solidifies. It's actually so cool, look at that. It's growing. And yeah, just about this much to the one side of my head. And I'm actually going to rake that through. Raking will help rake up the curl clumps, which will then lead to really fantastic volume. And then I'm going to scrunch. So it's really such an easy routine. Like when you want volume, everything gets easier. When you want definition, it's sometimes a lot harder. And then just obviously scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Then I'll add the mousse to the other side, a little bit less. I think I used a little tiny bit too much last time. Hopefully that's a little bit better. The stuff I'm telling you feels so luxurious. I can't wait till you get to feel this yourself. Let me know below if you've used this product and how you like it so far. So yep, just raking it in. I'm gonna make sure to get the back, the underneath. And then again, scrunching. Now for that extra volume, I am gonna flip my hair upside down and add just a little bit more of the mousse. And then again, I'll scrunch that in. still upside down, I'll take a microfiber towel and then just scrunch my hair with that to help begin the drying process. And honestly, it's as easy as that. Like, that was so simple. From here, you can either air dry. I'm definitely gonna diffuse because, again, I really want volume. It's so easy to use. This product is so nice and it feels so good in your hair. So I'm gonna dry my hair and I'll be back in a second. I am honestly shook. This looks so good. It looks like just 90s bombshell hair. It's honestly giving. I really like it. I never style my hair like this, so it's like even weird to see myself with like hair this big. But the mousse gave me actually so much more definition than I was thinking. Like I mean, this was really, look at this. It's the only thing I used. Really good results. It's frizz-free, but still really voluminous. I am like very wowed and very blown away. And also bonus points because I just used that mousse. It took my hair like half or less the amount of time to dry that it normally does when I was diffusing. Wow, wow, wow. 3,000 out of 10 on this. This is crazy. Let me know what you think below. This is a different look for me. Should I do it more often? Thanks for watching. See you next time.